Hello guys, welcome to the Developer to our channel. I am Hitesh Tang. Today we are going to with one video that is a laravel and a controller, how you can use controller and roots with the laravel thing. So it is a really basic video, so you can understand the most concept about the laravel, because laravel is working with the MVC structure. So you need to learn about this definitely. So I will give you some easy tips. It is really easy to use, guys. Let me start with these things. No need to worry about these things. Let's start. So I am using, first of all, we need to create controllers. So how we can make a controller? So for that I will give you some commands. php artisan, don't misspells, okay. php artisan make controller, and any controller name you can give. So I am using controller name is table, okay. So I will give tables, or anything I can give chairs, okay. Chairs I need, and here controller, okay. So like this we can define our controller. You can see they successfully built the controller. After this we need to check this controller, okay. So now we are going, okay, this controller is here, so no need to do anything. So here I will do just return. Here inside that controller only we'll write our all codes, okay. So we cannot write like this. So first of all, inside this this control class we need to write one public functions. Inside the function you can make any function, that is a chair. So I have one function name is a chair. So here many guys have confusion, so I will explain how to uh, come out with this function, that confusion, okay. I spelled wrong spelling there, public, so it was giving error. So I am using php my storm and php storm, so it is good and easy to use, and it will show you all errors if there is anything errors. So this is ready. Now I will write something inside this thing. So it is a hello, I'm here. So this is I'm using here, okay. So this is done. So please check this easily, guys. Don't worry about this. I will try to make it really easy way, so you will understand what is the concept of the root and controllers. So here after this we need to go inside the roots. So where will be root located? Inside the root folder. Inside there is a two roots, one api and web. Here we will use web root, and for now I will copy paste this one. So here what we need, I will explain all thing one by one. Here first of all, root is our root, and get, there is a two method, one is a post and one is a get. So when we want data, that time we will use the get method, and when we want to pass anything, that time we use the post method as a core php thing, okay. So here I will use the one, my root is a chair. So what is the chair, guys? Here this is a url, okay. This is a url, okay. So like path, I will show you how it is working. Here I will give chair function, okay. So what difference I want to make? First of all, difference, so I will use like this url, okay, chair url, and this is just chair. So here we need to change the controller name. So controller is name is chairs, okay. I think it is a chair, so you can see here and don't mistake, okay. Here our controller is done, and let me show how it will work. So first of all, inside the chairs controller we write this function. Inside that, this is a method, okay. This is a method. Inside the function we make one method, that is a method we are defining here. This is our method, and this is a root. With this root we can access our that data. So I will write my project name localhost, that is a laravel ecom I am using from previous, and I will fire this root, and let's check, okay. So we are getting that code, that is a written thing we are getting here. So this is the root, how it is working. So this chair is here, guys. You can check here, this chair, it is our root. Always just fit in your mind this root, that will redirect the url, okay. After that is a controller. Inside at the red controller we need to check our method. So this is our method. So this is a simple thing you need to remember. First url, after one controller, inside controller whatever method we are making, this is name here, okay. So this will contact this name only, it will not go anywhere, okay. So like this it is working. So guys, this is the easy way. After this I will show, if I want to pass some data only, like here I will pass here title, okay. How I can pass something in my url and get that data. And here I will do the same thing, dollar data, okay. So that is done, but I need to pass it URL also, so I will use this one. This is a basic thing you need to remember, slash and this bracket. Okay, inside you need to pass whatever you gave that name. So title, I will use the title. So let's check how it is working. So for now I am reloading, it is not working, so I need to use this title from the URL, so I can slash and add anything what they are giving results. So you can check guys, whatever I am returning they are getting as a that title. Okay, so that title is connected here with our root. So this is working like this. You can pass any parameter. If you want to pass ID, you can pass ID. So I will try here, so you will check guys it is working or not. Yeah, it is working. So here I need to pass any variable and it will work like this guys. Okay, so you got this idea guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please like, share and subscribe my channel. And if you are subscribing my channel, so please press the bell icon, so you will get more notification about my video. So thank you so much, have a great day guys. Yeah, thank you.